We are here. We're making a delivery for Raul.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. Raul, so you say the address you gave us is in Portmore, but
He's in Portmore.
but you're at work now.
And I'm at work in Greendale, Spanish.
And we diverted, right?
I diverted, which is very good.
Yes, man. We are trying to be flexible, you know?
Yes, man.
Yeah, man. Dwayne is making the delivery now. He's scanning. Scan the package out, taking a picture of Raul's. Nice. Of Raul's package, yeah? Nice. Thank you, man. Nice. So what we noticed, so if for customers who do not want to show their ID, it is simple. We just take a picture of the customer holding the package, right? So that we have proof that the package was delivered. Alright? Yeah, man. Thank you very much, man. Yeah. Yeah.
I sent it to him.
Yes.
And I bought it late last month.
Yeah.
And Shipme and to get the information say it's at airport. And
Yes.
I paid last night and shockingly.
You have it this morning. At a different location. At a different location. Yeah, man, we're flexible them way, man. Thank you so much. We appreciate it, man. Alright. Alright, thank you so much. We link up. Blessed. Yeah, man. Cool. Alright, Tuba. Yeah, another happy customer, and it's not even 12 o'clock yet, right?
Exactly.
Thank you, man. Alright, guys, you heard it first. Later.
Yard, abroad. You have been watching our videos, but I know you don't create your shipping account. What you're waiting for? It is free to create, and you can do it in half the time it takes to watch this video. You know, want to ship the items them to Jamaica at your doorstep, 25% of what FedEx or DHL will cost you. When you wait, man, do it. Click the link in the description box below and sign up now. Create your free shipping account. When you wait, man, we are in the streets. Watch me.